Why do we get hiccups? It all starts with your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. Sometimes it gets irritated, maybe from eating too fast, drinking something fizzy, or even being stressed. This irritation causes your diaphragm to spasm, making you take sudden, involuntary breaths. When the air rushes in, your vocal cords snap shut, creating that hic sound. Want to stop hiccups quickly? Try this. Hold your breath for a few seconds to reset your breathing. Hiccups are usually harmless and go away on their own, but they can sure be annoying. Next time you hiccup, thank your diaphragm for the little surprise. Love learning about how your body works? Follow for more quick facts.